Welcome children in bio class. Children, today I am going to teach you double circulatory system. You have studied closed circulatory system is found in vertebrates. In closed circulatory system, blood flows through capillaries and capillaries are connected by arteries and veins. The circulation of blood is rapid and with high blood pressure. So, in the closed circulatory system, heart is pumping the blood through the arteries. Again, blood is flowing from the arteries to the capillaries, then capillaries to vein. Again, veins bring back blood into the heart. So, here heart is pumping the blood two times. One is right side of the heart pump the blood, that is the first pump, and second is left side of the heart will pump the blood, that is the second pump. So pumping the blood by the right side of the heart, that is called pulmonary circulation, and pumping the blood by the left side of the heart is called systemic circulation. Children, you have studied human heart is made up of 4 chambers. So there are 4 chambers of the heart. There is left atrium, this is the right atrium, and this is the right ventricle. There is left atrium, and this is the left ventricle. This right atrium, upper 2 chamber of the heart, right atrium, left atrium. Right atrium, right ventricle on the right side, left atrium, left ventricle was on the left side. So upper 2 chambers are right atrium and left atrium, lower 2 chambers are right ventricle and left ventricle. And there is body, and this is the lung. From the body, blood is coming into the right atrium through vena cava. There are 2 vena cava, anterior vena cava, posterior, a superior vena cava and inferior. They are bringing deoxygenated blood from the different part of the body into the right atrium or right auricle. Again, from the right auricle, blood is coming into the right ventricle, and it is coming into the right ventricle through right auriculoventricular aperture. Again, from the right ventricle, blood is pumped to the lung through, so there is right ventricle pump the blood to the lung. This blood vessel which carries the blood from the right ventricle to the lung is pulmonary artery. So this circulation is called pulmonary circulation. Circulation of blood from the body to the right auricle to right ventricle, and right ventricle to lung. This is pulmonary circulation. In the lung, blood is oxygenated. Now, this from the lungs, blood is coming into left auricle. The blood vessel which bring the blood from the lungs into the left auricle, that is pulmonary vein. Again from the left auricle, blood is coming into the left ventricle. So there is an aperture that is called left auriculoventricular aperture. Through this, blood is coming from the left auricle to left ventricle. Again from the left ventricle, blood is pumped to the body. So this is through aorta. Aorta will carry the blood from left ventricle to the body. So this is known as systemic circulation. So in the left side is the oxygenated blood, in the right side is deoxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood from the lungs is coming in the left auricle, from the left auricle to the left ventricle, from left ventricle to the body. So this circulation of the blood is called systemic circulation, and this circulation of blood is called pulmonary circulation. In the pulmonary circulation, circulation of blood from body to the right auricle to right ventricle to lung. Systemic circulation, circulation of blood from lung to left auricle to left ventricle, and left ventricle to body. So both together, pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation, together called double circulation. So there is no mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood in the heart. The blood passes through the heart twice, once along the pulmonary circuit and second along the systemic circuit. So twice blood passes in the heart and twice blood pump the blood from the heart. So this type of circulation of blood is known as double circulation.